Hey guys, this is Jamey Jordan here, and I've been working with Eastwood on my Signature Series line of new tools for the bead roller. And I want to take a second and walk you through some of these new products that we have, just so you can get familiar with using them on the bead roller. Okay guys, a couple accessories I want to talk to you about. One is this one right here, and it's going to be our new handle. The neat thing about this handle is it's got this round shape to where you can palm it. You can hold it down like this, which is going to give you a lot more control while you're bead rolling. Plus, it's going to take away from that rocking back and forth action, which will actually cause the bolt and the nut to wear out when you use this machine. So to save your time, save your machine, save your arm, and be able to have a little bit more control, I say try out this new handle. You'll really like it. And one of the other accessories I want to talk to you about is this table. It's made out of HDEP, an aluminum base. It's got stainless hardware all the way around, and it'll bolt onto any standard 36-inch bead roller on the market today, as well as some of the 24s. And last but not least is our layout tools. So if you're out there in the shop trying to figure out how to put something together or how to design something that's going to have a lot of curves or little small details in it, this is one of our best kits we got. So this one's got a French curve right here with a straight edge across the bottom. Next up we have our radius tool, which is going to give you all these inside circles and outside circles that are going to line up with our straight layout tool, which starts off from the edge here to here. It's going to be 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 4 inch, and then you can spin it around and you can cheat and get the other sides. It also has a ruler on the bottom with holes, as well as our straight layout tool that you can lay out things against an edge with our holes all the way through the middle. So it's really easy to use. It's a fun tool to have. All of these are great accessories for your bead roller. And if you want any more information, check them out at eastwood.com.